Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullah. Welcome to Ar-Rahmah Trust Short Reminders, where we will be taking you with us on a journey in providing mercy for those in need. In the last episode, we spoke about the important concept of having the right intention, ikhlas, sincerity, so that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepts our actions. Today we're going to be looking at the impact of your charity. The Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Ma min muslimin yaghrisu gharsan illa kana ma ukila minhu lahu sadaqa, wa ma surika minhu lahu sadaqa, wa ma akalat at-tayru fahuwa lahu sadaqa, wa la yarza'uhu ahadun illa kana lahu sadaqa." The Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam tells us the far-fetching rewards when it comes to planting something, even if it is a seed. This is the reward that you will get from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that whenever a Muslim plants something, whatever is eaten from it, it is charity for him. Even if something is stolen from it, it is charity for him. Even if the birds take something from it, it is charity for him. Anyone who derives benefit from that thing that has been done by that person continues to get the reward. This is an amazing narration showing you that even if somebody takes something who's an insan, somebody who takes something who's from the animals, anyone who takes benefit from the action that you do, you will continue to get the reward, because your reward is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So please continue to participate and continue to donate in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, knowing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who rewards, and your reward is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We look forward to sharing with you more beneficial advice in our next video. Please share, like and subscribe to our Rahmah Trust channel by clicking on the link below, and join us on our journey in providing mercy for those in need.